Award-winning digital library for kids. Child will unlock a world of reading, learning, and discovery.
Huh?
Dad, can you come with me? I'm gonna go call Paulina. Cool. Mom's asking if you want to come to the beach or stay. Are you gonna come or what? I think I'll come back and tell you. And so watch the beach. Yeah, go. And then come back.
It is such a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Beautiful day. Aloha Mai Kākou is the Hawaiian word of the day, which means good day. Aloha Mai Kākou is like a good day. Or you can say that to someone and say Aloha Mai Kākou, like have a good day. Yas, oatmeal, yas. Dad's eating a plata, yas, plata, yas. The kids are having Happy Meals, yas, Happy Meals, yas. So, Aloha Mai Kākou, today it is Po'akahi, which is Monday. And the tint in this video is looking a bit red, but I don't know what to do about it. I really don't. Today it is Ianuali, Iwa Kalua, Kuma Keahi, which is January 21st. Yesterday was my nephew's birthday. I'm gonna go FaceTime him right now, but we're having breakfast and we're gonna go to the Keahi beach. Look at the mountains. Mom. Okay, Hudi. We're at the beach. We just set up our tent. Weather is so pretty today. Local found some really pretty shells. We're finding shells.
There's more, come.
Pehea e lelo Hawaii shells. Isn't it pupu?
Yeah, come.
Another Hawaiian word of the day is pupu, which means shell. There's a song that us locals know. It's pupu. He knew, pupu.
This is the one that I found first.
Yo. Kualoa's over there fishing. TJ. Don't lose your dolls now. Your sister is saying that she's not comfortable right now.
I want to get out.
Okay, here.
Coming in and wrecking it.
It's a really beautiful day. The KeahiOhana and the Adventure Ohana is at it again. Collabing again.
Smile. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. You guys are cute. Anna looks a little crazy.
So does Paula.
But I can work with it.
Right there?
Oh, the green side. Okay. I'll take you on the green side.
No, wait to me. I want to go to the green side.
Yes, you're going to the green side.
No, not yet, Palale.
Daddy can wrap it around like this, like the surface part.
Wait, can I go underwater now? Mom?
Yep. Wait till you gotta get off now.
Ooh, the floaty. For underwater.
Tying the floaty On with the string to the tree so the kids don't float away. We got the fruits. It's so sunny. Hi, hon.
Nice day. Hawaii.
Yes, it is. It's so pretty today. Are you serious? That's crazy.
I just farted at it.
Darren just farted. Darren just farted, he said.
I just farted like, oh, I can smell it.
Okay.
I think you're supposed to be counting. They're hiding and they're waiting for her to find them.
Go hide, Tita.
Go hide it, brother. Go hide, Tita. Go hide. Go hide. Go hide. Where are you going?
Yeah?
Come on. Right there. Stay in the middle, yeah?
Carry you? Daddy can play hide and seek with you.
Stay right there. Don't move. Yeah.
It's cold, isn't it? Hi, baby. Yeah.
That one, I gotta wash my hair.
You okay?
Excuse me? He
Pujoku noku loku sudoku. Don't push him. Crazy.
Throw this in the car. I'm so dark.
You are dark. Oh gosh.
Put your head on my shoulder, whisper in my ear, baby.
Hey, so we just got home. We picked up some stuff for dinner. We also got, what did we get? I got ice cream, but I'm planning to exercise tonight. Shh, 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 shh. I haven't had ice cream in a while, but I did get frozen yogurt. Is that the same thing? I don't think so. I'm probably gonna end the vlog right here and right now. It was a really fun time hanging with Rose again, and we're planning to meet up with other Hawaii vloggers and get everyone together because Elisha didn't meet her yet. Karen didn't get to meet Elisha yet. So I'm slowly just having everyone come together, and we're gonna try to do like a lot more content together.
Wait, is it? Are you guys gonna do? Or
but yes, thank you again for watching. I hope you guys are enjoying our videos. Don't forget to like this video. Also comment something down below, anything, I don't care. And subscribe if you're not subscribed already, please, and thank you. Hoi-ho.
No, this is Keahi lua Kualoa di Maiono Hiko Bale Eva Umi Umi Kumakai Umi Kumalua Umi Kumaha.
Umi Kumakolu.
You gotta do this new pink ones and the golden ones, okay?
Okay.
Do
That was good. Okay. A lot, Tita.
Please, can you just do it?
What? I gotta do all these golden ones.
Yep.
Oh, e kahi e rua e koru e ha e lima e ona e hiku e walu e iwa umi umi kuma kahi umi kuma loa umi kuma kolu umi kuma ha umi kuma lima.
Now do it again.
Ay, ay, ay.
Kaulana nā pua o Hawaii, Upa ama o te oka aina.